Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I have a perfume that is, I already reviewed its another version which is La Yuqawam by Rasasi, and today I have the sample of La Yuqawam Ambergris Showers. So a lot of people they ask that which one is better, should we buy Ambergris Shower or should we buy the normal La Yuqawam regular version, which is very tobacco and smoky kind of perfume, sweet tobacco kind of perfume. For me, I personally think that this one is better. So let's try to find out why this one is better. And I'm going to spray it on the strip. Ambergris Showers. So first off, it is very wet, very kind of like you are traveling in the ocean. There is wind and there is water, moving around in the ocean. There is a storm coming, something like this, some kind of feel like this, and there are fishes around and something like this. There is whale flowing around somewhere, and you are maybe someone close to you is smoking a cigarette, something like that. Very light smoky, so it has some tobacco kind of feel, but it is very wet tobacco. It is not dry. Why I personally like this one or enjoy this one more than La Yuqawam, because I like more wet kind of perfumes, not smoky dry kind of perfumes. So mostly cloying or very powerful or very dominating perfumes that are very dry, I don't like them. So ambergris, if you smell the actual ambergris, I had the sample of brown ambergris, the real one. Some people call it the whale poop. Anyhow, so the smell is it is kind of like wet, like there is some, I would say, dirt or clay. If you have smelled the wet clay, so if you make the wet clay and you add some ocean kind of smell to it, and that kind of a little bit spicy, that is the actual scent of an ambergris. So it means ambergris shower, it always show that this is going to be with having water or wet and ambergris. So this is a really nice interpretation. I don't smell any kind of foul ingredients or chemicals in it. I personally think that this is the winner between La Yuqawam and La Yuqawam Ambergris Showers. So if I pick up one winner, this is going to be the winner. If you like tobacco kind of perfumes, I think this is going to be in your collection. This is a lot better for me than La Yuqawam. Wet ocean, some tobacco in the background, some spices, very light. The smell of ambergris is there. I'm not sure how they have created this accord, but it is there. It is kind of a little balsamic. There is somewhere something like this that is uplifting or balsamic kind of effect. Mostly it has some spices, some tobacco in the background, a little bit balsamic. Now that wet ambergris feeling is getting a bit lower and the tobacco is coming up. Now it has more tobacco with some spices maybe. Yes, for me, I think the top notes or the start where it has a very wet feeling of ambergris is the best thing in this perfume. If I rate this perfume like 1 out of 10, the scent profile is going to be like 7 to 8. 8 out of 10 is the scent profile, very nice. blend where we have the ambergris and the ocean kind of feel. And for the performance, I think it is going to perform well because now it has some dry tobacco which I don't like. So I would rate it like from performance point of view, I think it would be 8 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. It is going to perform well. But if you are a tobacco lover, I think this is better than La Yuqawam Ambergris Shower. La Yuqawam is far better than normal La Yuqawam by Rasasi. So this is my review about La Yuqawam Ambergris Showers. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. We will meet with another perfume or scent where we are going to explore more about these scents. And if I don't like a scent, I normally say it in front of the camera and you guys that I didn't like it. This one is far better than La Yuqawam. Okay, so if you are thinking about buying La Yuqawam or Ambergris Showers, Ambergris Shower is the winner. That is all. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.